Hello, welcome to my digital business card. My goal is to provide you with results and solutions to help you move faster. I'm passionate about providing services that add value, information, and resources. The 5 services that I specialize in are insurance, real estate, digital marketing solutions, business, career, and development opportunities, and maintenance services. I've developed strong relationships and resources in many industries around our areas in the car dealership business, finance companies, credit repair, and many others. Feel free to scroll down below and you'll see different links to the websites that I offer my services. I have different videos for information and education, and also different links to different websites that may be of interest. You can also download my contact information by clicking and download contact. That'll save it to your phone as an app. That app will be there to where in the future, if you ever do need anything or information, you can just click that app, it opens it up, you can email me, call me, text me. I want to thank you for your time. I want to thank you for the opportunity to help individuals find the solutions to their problems at a faster rate. It's an honor. And I want to say thank you. God bless.